Are you afraid of failing Amazon FBA and maybe for that reason you haven't gotten started? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain why I love to fail, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and today we're going to be talking about failure, why it's good, and why you shouldn't be afraid of it. But before we dive into it, let's dive into my seller account, let you guys know that I'm a current FBA seller, and let you know that what I teach is up to date. So right here, as you guys can see, in the last 30 days, just over $70,000 in sales, as you guys can see right there. And the reason why I share that with you is to let you know that I'm in the trenches with you and I can relate to you guys. I started from nothing. I've grown my business to $70,000 plus per month on Amazon, and it didn't just happen overnight, and it didn't just happen by coincidence. So I want to motivate you guys. I'm really excited about this video, so make sure to leave a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe so that you guys stay up to date on the future videos that I'm going to be releasing. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so failure. Why are people afraid of failure? Why is failure such a sensitive subject? And why shouldn't you be afraid to fail when it comes to selling on Amazon or whatever business venture you are getting involved in? So the reality of business in general is failure is expected. Failure is going to come whether you like it or not. I don't care how smart you are, how good you have your business plan set up, or what you do. There's always unforeseen things that you can't take into account when it comes to starting a business. There's just so many things that go into being successful, and that's just the reality. So if you guys aren't willing to fail, then entrepreneurship, Amazon FBA, any business model is not for you. You may as well go get a job, and the reality is at your job you may completely fail as well. You may get fired, you may get let off, you may not close a deal. There's all sorts of failure in our life, and if it's not for that failure, we can't improve and we can't be better. So what I want to do is just kind of give you guys some motivation, give you guys kind of show you the story, my background, and how I was able to go from $0 in sales to not even knowing Amazon exists to now doing over $70,000 per month, $20,000 profit per month on Amazon. So it didn't just happen overnight. It didn't just happen all of a sudden. It didn't happen just by coincidence. It happened because I wasn't afraid to fail. I wasn't afraid to get started. And that's the first thing that you guys just need to realize is I don't care how much you know. I don't care what you do in order to prepare. If you don't get started and if you don't have that mindset of it's okay if I fail or it's okay if it doesn't work out, then it's going to be really, really difficult. And so that's what I did. And if you guys have followed me for a little bit, you probably know my story. I was going to school. I had a 9-to-5 job. I was looking for something to be successful, and I had these aspirations of living the dream and not being financially free, living life on my own terms, traveling when I wanted, and doing the things that I love to do. And I had those dreams, but I just didn't know what to do. And I had good intentions, but I just wasn't taking enough action. I started drop shipping. I failed. It was very, very difficult. I do a comparison on Shopify and Amazon FBA if you guys are interested in that on the channel. I failed at that. I did a multi-level marketing company. I was working a 9-to-5 job. I was going to college. I just was struggling, and I failed and failed and I failed. And it wasn't until Amazon FBA where I started seeing some success. But the reality is my first 3-4 products, I completely failed. So if you guys think that it just happens overnight and you think that all of a sudden you're just going to have this massive success, it's not like that whatsoever. I mean, I remember my first YouTube video or my first 100. I've done hundreds of videos, and there's hundreds of videos that I haven't posted because I completely felt like an idiot and I failed. But now, where I'm at today, I feel a lot more confident. I can talk, and I don't have to worry about failing because I know if I fail, I can pick myself right back up. So basically the moral of that story is if you look at my entire journey to where I'm at right now, I have failed more times than I've succeeded. But the times that I have succeeded, it has been massive, and it's thrown away those failures, and I don't even think about them because I've learned from them. I picked myself up, and I just built off of them. Okay, so it doesn't just happen overnight. You're going to have to go through something difficult in order to see that success. So I tried tons of different business models. I tried going to school. I tried working the 9 to 5. Nothing was working. Then Amazon came along, and again, it didn't just happen right away. I failed my first 3 products. I explained that in the channel. My first 3 products were horrible. But then once I launched those 3 products, I understood the process of Amazon. I understood what I could and couldn't do. I understood what I needed to do different. And as soon as I did that, that next product, I was successful. That 5th product, probably not. I can't really remember. I've launched so many products, but it doesn't matter. I'm where I'm at right now because I wasn't afraid to fail, and if I failed, I picked myself right back up. So I just want to show you guys something real quick to end this video. So let's go over here, and I've done this in one of my other videos, but I have these pictures right here, as you guys can see. I love them, and let's show you guys what this picture says right here. Let's see if we can see that. So it says failure, 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 failure all over, and then it says it only takes one yes for success. So out of all my failures, I failed hundreds of times. It only takes one yes, it only takes one good product, it only takes one experience to learn, pick yourself back up, and that next time you will succeed. So you can't have that mindset of I can't do it or I'm afraid of failing. That's just the reality. You're going to fail. I don't care how smart you are. Like I was saying, you need to just pick yourself up, take action, and if you do fail, pick yourself back up and try again. Okay, that's so crucial when it comes to any business, life in general. Okay, you're going to have problems. Nothing goes perfectly, and that's why I'm not afraid to fail, because I know that I can pick myself up, learn from those mistakes, and start over again. So please, please, whatever situation that you're at currently, don't let that stop you from getting started. Just go out, do what you can do, and learn and pick yourself back up. Okay. People always say this. I can't remember exactly how it goes, but it's you haven't failed until you quit. Okay, so if you don't quit, you can't really fail. But I mean, I still consider them failures, but at the same time, they're not failures if you don't quit. So have that in mind. Go out there, do what you need to do, reevaluate your situation, and you're going to have to put in that work, and that's just the reality of business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm really excited to help you guys along your journey. I have tons of content on Amazon FBA, how you can start your own business, how you can succeed, and I have tons of free resources down in the link down below. Free Amazon FBA Facebook group, so join that. There's tons of sellers answering questions. I'm there active as well. I have a bunch of other free resources, PDF startup guides, so check those out in the link down below. And if you want me to help you, let me help you along the entire process. I have a full A to Z champion course taking you through the entire process. I'll be your mentor. I'll verify your products, I'll check your product's listing, and I'll give you guys advice when you need it. So check those links down below, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.